네, 지금은 아침 8시입니다. 어제 새벽 한두 시쯤에 고슴도치 같은 동물도 보고 생각보다 아늑하고 시원하게 잘 수 있었습니다. 이제 아침 먹고 바로 이동할 것 같아요. 아침은 빵이랑 커피랑 이렇게 해서 마시고 출발할 것 같습니다. 3-4시간 정도면 더 가고 이제 오늘 트레킹 마친다고 하는데 조금 험하다고 하네요. You're first.
Tramping must go alone.
Okay. Let's go down, everyone.
I'll make a selfie.
Yeah. Oh, its view is perfect over there. You can see Black Panther, river, mountain.
For us.
Yeah.
Master, take photo.
Take photo. Take photo.
Come here. If not, I kill someone of you. Come.
Okay. 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 Stop a little bit.
Stop dari mana?
Just stop. Okay.
Lah.
Just like that. And then how to punch?
Just 5 seconds. Okay.
Right, goodbye.
Bye. Thank you.
So we have around 3 or 4 hours for the trekking and almost 10 kilometers. If you have any question, you can ask me. Don't be shy. You know my rule.
Okay.
Be shy, you die in jail.
How you say then? Let's go.
가자.
Gaja.
가자.
Gaja, gaja.
갑시다. 동굴에서 하루를 마치고 이제 2일차 트레킹 시작했습니다. 그래도 여기서 한 3시간에서 4시간만 가면 된다 그래가지고 잘 마치고 돌아가 보겠습니다.
What a great photo.
Yeah, right? I'm always, when I'm morning, I'm doing yoga.
Ah, yeah, I see.
You saw that already. Like this. Nice balance, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to take photo with the tree there, you can go over there. Add people 1 day before in the jungle.
Okay.
What's the fit? Same?
오, 네, 이게 뭔가 표범 같은 약간 그런 느낌의 발자국인데 오전에 발자국이 찍혔다고 합니다. 그래서 뭐 조심해서 가시려고 하나 봐요. 와, 코끼리라도 지나간 것 같은데. Okay. My bad. 어제 그렇게 걷고 나니까 조금 몸이 가볍네요.
I thought you wanted to do it like
Nah. Nah.
you're not trusting you at all.
Okay, that's me now. You know me well. Oh.
That was karma.
Yeah.
Come here, Sugar Daddy protect you.
Thank you. Sorry.
Ants.
Termites.
Sorry. Oh. Oh. Okay.
It's your breakfast?
Actually, lunch. You saw that strawberry jam, right?
Nice.
That is not strawberry, you know. You know, lychee is blood. Oh, yeah, lychee. Be careful. Oh, hey, you Just kidding. Joking. Oh, lychees.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Here.
Gadou.
까두. 오늘도 거머리와의 전쟁입니다. 이 거머리가 신기하게 피를 빨고 나면은 피가 안 멈춰요, 그 자리에서. 그리고 일단은 그것도 그건데 너무 생김새가 너무 징그러워가지고 좀 쉽지가 안 나와요, 다들. 저도 그렇고. Nice balance, right? Yeah. I will see you. Okay, more easy way. Much better. Oh. 한 상태. Let's go. 재밌네요. 이렇게 사람들이랑 다 같이 걸어가면서 수다도 떨고 걷는 게 오랜만에 또 다 같이 여행하는 기분이 듭니다. 네. I want to. What is this? Oh fuck! Oh, I found it. I just think I asked these socks. Wow.
What is it?
Pillow bite. Oh. Pillow bite.
Insect.
Insect. Yeah, insect. That's all. Big insect. 큰 벌레를 발견했습니다.
Is it the name in English?
Pillow bite. He say pillow bite. I think looks like pillow, right?
Oh, okay.
And they bite, so they maybe. Nice. Be careful.
Kind of finding a new routine and getting out of the comfort zone and everything. So I feel like I'm a sensitive person, so it's maybe a little bit harder for moving. But really thankful of Anthony, because I feel like he's more calm and collected than me.
I think after finish travel, you guys more strong together.
Yeah, I think so too.
친구들은 이제 커플로 왔는데 이제 21살, 24살이라는데 진짜 뭔가 보기 좋습니다. 그냥 서로 잘 챙겨주고 좋은 것 같아요. 뭔가 그때 그 나이 때 느낄 수 있는 낭만이 있는 그런 게 있는 것 같아요. 네. 떨어질 수도 있겠네. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. It's good. Good job.
Wow. Finally. We did it, bro. Check. Yeah, bro.
Nice one.
Nice one. Come on. You're right.
Yes, man.
I like this. Oh, Zutemu.
Nice.
Nice. Thank you.
And
살아왔습니다.
Maybe. It's gonna be
Fresh water. Oh my god.
Hey.
Dollar over there.
살아있는 기분입니다, 진짜. Have to do like this.
Hello, Korea.
Yeah. Nice.
very nice.
Still living?
Yes.
Now back to the city, boy.
Yes, we can go again.
Our jungle sugar daddy is cooking right now.
Maggi curry.
Oh.
Spicy. No spicy, no sexy in the jungle.
So this one is spicy, sexy, no spicy.
If you sexy, that's why I always to be a sugar daddy, you know.
And then, yo, bro, how was it? Jungle trekking.
Very nice. Nice experience. So many new people. Yeah. I will do it again.
Do you want to come again?
Maybe in 20 years.
After 20 years, right?
It's very good.
Very good.
Yes. Very good.
You want to go tomorrow again?
Oh.
Yeah, sure.
You sure? Come with me. Yeah. Okay. It was tough, but beautiful.
But it was hard sometimes and challenging, and sometimes I was like, why the fuck did I do that? No, it was fine, and I think it was a cool experience.
And for you?
For me, worth it and very nice experience. And best thing is I met you guys.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. I'm fucking romantic guy.
Yeah, you.
Okay, camera is on. 정말 정글 트레킹을 하면서 진짜 되게 즐거웠던 것 같습니다. 굉장히 모험하는 것 같기도 하고, 무엇보다도 일단은 좋은 사람들을 많이 만날 수 있어서 그게 제일 좋았던 것 같아요. 좋은 사람들이랑 같이 함께 모험을 떠난다는 거, 너무 좀 즐거운 경험이었고, 뭐 나중에 또 오지 않을까요? 또 해보러. 이상 타마네 가라였습니다. Splash, bro. Splash, splash.
Put cushion down. Cushion, put down.